Imagine a robot that walks, talks, lifts heavy loads, kicks a football, and even syncs with other robots in real time, all without human input. From PepsiCo's humanoid sales reps to factory bots zipping on futuristic wheels, the robotics revolution isn't coming. It's already here. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Techonomic, your go-to for the latest in robotics, AI, autonomous systems, and future tech. Today, we're exploring humanoid robots like Darwin-01 and Zephyr, intelligent AI tools like Deep Agent, and mobility breakthroughs such as GoMate Rover, all turning science fiction into science fact. Darwin-01, the agile assistant built in Shenzhen, Darwin-01 is a sleek humanoid robot with intelligent omnidirectional wheels. It speeds around at 2+ meters per second, faster than most people walk. It has flexible limbs and lifts several kilograms, making it ideal for factories and logistics hubs. AI-powered controller Darwin isn't just mobile, it's smart. With a high-performance AI controller, it adapts on the fly, performs tasks autonomously, and learns from its environment. Imagine a robot worker that never takes breaks, never complains, and gets smarter over time. GoMate Rover, the two-wheel marvel. Perfect for tight industrial spaces, GoMate balances on two wheels and shifts into patrol or hover-style modes. It climbs stairs, navigates narrow corridors, and performs inspections. PepsiCo's 1.7-meter-tall, 90-kilogram humanoid ambassador. It speaks, gestures, and interacts with customers, guiding them through kiosk, answering questions, and even promoting local deals in regional languages, all autonomously. MagicBot and Swarm Robotics. MagicBot isn't one bot, it's a team. These humanoids coordinate in real time, passing packages, reacting to environments, and performing synchronized actions like football kicks, all without external motion tracking. It's the future of cooperative robotics. Where robots are headed next. From museum guides to hospital delivery bots, robots are stepping into public spaces. With adaptive AI and advanced mobility, they're reshaping everything from tourism to healthcare and urban security. Whether it's delivering packages, selling sodas, or patrolling factory floors, robots are becoming part of our everyday world. The robotics revolution is no longer hype, it's happening. What's next? Only the future knows. Liked what you saw? Let me know what you think in the comments and make sure to hit subscribe. Smash that like button if you found it wild so you never miss an update from Techonomic. Stay curious, stay futuristic. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.